History of Chandrayaan mission. Chandrayaan, a fleet of Indian lunar spacecraft. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO's Chandrayaan-1, which is Hindi for Mooncraft, was the first lunar space mission to discover water on the moon. From a lunar orbit, it surveyed the moon in infrared, visible, and X-ray light and used reflected radiation to search for different elements, minerals, and ice. It was operational from 2008 to 2009. It was intended for Chandrayaan-2, which launched in 2019, to be ISRO's first lunar lander. Chandrayaan-1. The Chandrayaan-1 spacecraft from India was a key component in the discovery of water molecules on the moon. India's first deep space mission was Chandrayaan-1. Its collection of sensors included NASA's Moon Mineralogy Mapper, an imaging spectrometer that supported the finding of water trapped in lunar minerals. Additionally, an impactor that was purposefully launched towards the moon and released debris that could be analyzed by the science equipment on the orbiting spacecraft. Chandrayaan-2. After Chandrayaan-1's success, Chandrayaan-2 is India's second lunar mission. In order to comprehend the genesis and evolution of the moon, topographical studies and mineralogical studies were done as part of this mission. The GSLV Mk3 launched the Chandrayaan-2 mission on July 22, 2019, from the Satish Dhawan space. Chandrayaan-2 primary objective was to locate and quantify the amount of lunar water present on the moon's surface. The ISRO reported that Chandrayaan-2 supported the conclusions of Chandrayaan-1. The south polar region of the moon, which had never been studied, was the mission's aim. The mission's main objective was to map the lunar surface thoroughly in order to analyze variations in its composition and reconstruct the moon's origin and history. Because no space agency had ever completely studied the south polar region of the moon before, Chandrayaan-2 was regarded as a difficult mission. Chandrayaan-3. The Chandrayaan-3 mission's three main goals are to land safely and gently on the moon, show the rover's ability to loiter on the lunar surface, and perform in-situ scientific investigations. The mission's objective is to investigate the soil, water, and chemical constituents present on the lunar surface in order to better comprehend the lunar composition. The mission is important for the scientific community worldwide as well as for India. It enhances the skills needed for upcoming lunar and extraterrestrial exploration while building on the knowledge gleaned from earlier expeditions.